You are not just to live here, you are living for the greater life. So you can have the blending that can only be achieved if you are educated. You are Quranically sound, sonatically engineered. You have the capacity, the ability to understand.
Naam.
Then you put your legs on where Allah wants you to put. That's how you blend. Don't consume alcohol because you are in the world. Don't commit zina because you are spoiling hereafter. Don't be a backbiter. Don't be a liar, a rumor mongerer, a character assassinator,
Naam.
a thief through pen robbery in politics and whatever, through examination malpractices, and a lot of things to be said. Through yellow journalism, what we call irresponsible journalistic irresponsibility. You should have what we call repertorial, cultural practices, which is good. These things capture the essence of existence. So through these and many other things, you can blend the two.